back to my YouTube channel. You know, it's a girl Momo. So today I'm at the river. I don't know when Momo touch on the river, we're going to go on some cooking, some swimming, and some nice, yeah, you know. Yes, people. So I'm at the river and I find a falls. The soon carrying out there go show you the falls. As I told you before, I'm going to enjoy myself, prepare some food, swim, enjoy myself. Yeah. So guys, you know, I have a lot of rain. So there's no rain today though. So as you can see, the water push very hard. Cool and nice. So soon got introduced to my bad chef. Yeah. So I am not going to do the cooking today. I have my chef with me today, people. When I'm going to do the cooking, right? A bad chef than Momo. So one thing better than Momo, you know what I say? It's a real bad chef. No. So look, people, from this angle right here, so you can see the falls over this. So they look nice. So I can't over show you my bad chef right now. So yes, people, see the chef, my bad chef for me. I tell you, number one is back. That's Fizzle. So Fizzle, I'm gonna deal with some cooking today. Fizzle, you're not telling people where you're gonna look for? Yeah. Eh?
Some chicken, some vegetables.
But anyways, people, Fizzle. Yes, that's Fizzle. And I'm gonna line up together in some chicken wrap. Let's see if it's a feeder. So yes, people, these are the wraps. Remember, you used to make the chicken wrap. The Monique is here. Right about now, my need to want this chicken breast. about the halls and the whole place. Yeah. So yes, people, this is the guy for show with the place.
Yeah, my name is Shane. I can show you that I at Family Clan IG.com. In YouTube, you can find me on Nanny called Tour Guide. You know? Yes. And why they call the place Nanny Fall? Because first somebody recognized this Nanny of married. So we, this Colonel, and me, the tour guide, they come and call it Nanny Fall. Okay?
So guys, he's gonna give us a little eggs up on Moortown. So let's hear him out.
Yeah, we can take you to the place that called Bob Gerb, right in Nanny of the Maroonberry, with him followers as well. Okay? And I can give a little history about a church where it's 100 years old. Yes, 100 years old. That's a really big church in Moortown. 100 years.
So people, he might tell us about a church, but we are 1 year, what? 100?
100 year old.
So what about that church?
Yes, it by the slave. Yes. With bricks and cement. Brick stock, brick around it, and you can find a lot of things in there. A lot of things in there.
Okay.
And treasure. You know,
So you're responsible for this place, like you are the tour guy.
yes,
So a lot of people come up here and so forth.
yes.
So people love up here.
Yes, them love up here. Love up here. Well, tell them we are nice and we don't come up here.
So how deep is the falls? Like up at the top part. You know how deep it is?
Up here,
Yeah.
oh, 5 feet.
So you hear that, people?
It's 5 feet deep.
Whoa.
That water is here right now.
So people, you can follow him on IG, and we're gonna make him shout out in IG again. And his,
Family Clan.
so his IG is Family Slang.
Yes.
So people follow him on IG and take a tour. So one more history you can give me about Moortown.
Moortown is can't tell why them call Moortown. And it is why? Because when the Packer soldier come at Moortown and stop at Nanny and say, what more you want? Nanny says she want Moortown. And where she have it, she want Moortown for me. That's why them call it Moortown.
Oh, so this name was given by Nanny the Maroon.
Yes, Nanny of the Maroon.
Okay. So yes, people, it's a very nice place. Please to follow him on IG and take your tour. So yeah, people, I am going to give my hair a wash today at the river. I'm going to wash it and wrap it. You know, I'm just get some bread. We just blow the bread like 2 days ago. So people busy in the kitchen, yeah, and I'm going to do with some chicken wrap, people. Can't wait. Taste it. I'm going to tell you the truth. If it's nice, yes, and if it's not nice, I don't know. No, but as we told you before, I'm my bad chef that. Can't cook and everything, so I'm going to do the food. So guys, please to follow me on IG, Momo Universe. I keep on seeing people asking for my IG, Momo Universe. And remember guys, I have a second channel, I want to support. Big up, Kevonique. Hey Kevonique, thank you for watching my channel. I love you girl. Hey Shante, what's up? Yes, I'm a true Shante. That girl want me to drop video straight. She can tell her when we start YouTube, how much video they put on the channel, and everything like that. Yeah. people, I'm gonna take a break path. Come over here so I can show you the falls. Woo! Your girl Momo is outside and enjoying my land of birth. Yes, people. Woo! So yeah, me know no phone I say, wow, when Momo find the falls here, I want to come to it, don't it? Woo! So right now, people, I am going to check from Wagwan in the kitchen. Yeah. Wow! People, me come over, me can't come. people due to how they rock them bad, but they for my second round. So me I tell you to say, fizzle and go to the kitchen. Yes people, the food, bad. The wrap them, nice. Well seasoned, everything. So yes people, this is the end of my video. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and watch the ads. Follow me on IG, Momo Universe. So yeah, give me here a good wash. And catch you back. People, it was indeed a very good day with the bad chef Fizzle. Yes, it was a good day at the river today. I really enjoyed myself. The falls, very nice. The water cool and nice bad. So yeah guys, you can take a tour and come to this river. Bye! See you guys soon. Big up my lovely subscribers. I love you guys. Please to stay safe. Pray for me while